Mensuration. The syllabus contains surface area and volume of cylinder, cone, sphere, and combination of these solids. Let us see the formulas of surface areas and volumes of these solids. These are called solids because it has got 3 dimensions. Before moving to derive the formulas, you need to know few more things. That is, area of circle of radius r, area equal to pi r square. Perimeter of circle of radius r equal to 2 pi r, and area of rectangle of length L and width B equal to L into B. Then perimeter of rectangle of length L and width B is 2 into L plus B. So these things you need to know. Area of a circle is pi r square and its perimeter is 2 pi r. Perimeter of a circle is also called by the name circumference of a circle. Area of rectangle is L into B and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Now we take the solids one by one. The solids we are discussing are cylinder, cone, and sphere. Hemisphere is also included. First one is the cylinder. Cylinder, you know, we are discussing of right cylinder. Cylinder in both the sides, the end surface is of a circle. Let R be the radius of the circle at the end. Consider H be the height of the cylinder. So, lateral surface area. lateral surface area can be found out by a formula: base perimeter into height. Lateral surface area means the area of the lateral surface. That means the end surfaces are not included, only this area. Lateral surface area has one more name: curved surface area, as it is a curved surface. Curved surface area. Both are same. So, how we can find out the curved surface area? See, if I wrap the curved surface with a paper, and if I, after covering it fully, and if I take that paper back, I am covering the curved surface in such a way that there is no overlapping. There is no overlapping on the curved surface, and also there is no overlapping. There is no portion hanging after the curved surface. That means there is no portion on the base or the end surface. So after completely covering in this way, if I take it back, if I open it, it will come like a rectangle. And if h was the height, we will get that h here. What will be this length? This length is that will be the perimeter. Perimeter, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means the length along the circular path. This one, this path. And that is, we already discussed, if the r is the radius, that perimeter will be 2 pi r. So that is why we got this general equation: base perimeter into height. That you should note. The lateral surface area is equal to lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to base perimeter into height. Base perimeter is 2 pi r and height is h. So you will get the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now the second is total surface area. Sometimes this total surface area is also called by the name surface area. If you are asked to find out surface area, then you need to calculate the total surface area. Total surface area, by its name, means the area of all the surfaces. We know the area of the lateral surface that we just found out. The lateral surface area is 2 pi rh, and there are two bases of area each equal to pi r square. So total surface area can be written as lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. Lateral surface area plus 2 into base area, and that is equal to 2 pi RH plus base area is pi r square and 2 into means 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common in both these terms. So I am taking that 2 pi r. Here we have an r and here we have an h. So this is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So remember like this, that the lateral surface area is base perimeter into height. That is 2 pi r is the base perimeter and h is the height. So it is 2 pi r h. Then the total surface area is lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. That is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now comes the volume. Volume have a general formula. Instead of base perimeter, base area. Into height. So you need to note that distinction between volume and lateral surface area. Okay. Volume is base area into height. What is base area? It is pi r square. And height is, we have taken it as h. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So the three equations are 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square h. It is very simple to remember if you connect it with the general formulas. Now we will move on to cone. Cone, one end is a circle and the other end is a point. Let the radius again be r. And here there are two heights. This height is the height from this point to the base. If only height is mentioned, then you need to consider this height. And there is another height along the surface. That height is called slant height. Let us take it as L. And this slant, this is the R. Okay. See, the R, H and L are connected in such a way that they constitute a right triangle, where the slant height is the hypotenuse, L. This is R, this is H. So that is R square plus H square, Pythagoras theorem, equal to L square. So that relation is also, you should remember. That is, the slant height is the hypotenuse. That is L square equal to r square plus h square. Let us consider the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area is obtained as pi rl. And total surface area will be equal to lateral surface area, which is pi rl, plus here there is no two bases, there is only one base, so plus base area. We are discussing cone. Right circular cone. Right circular cone means that this h will be perpendicular to the base or perpendicular to the radius. And in cylinder also, a right circular cylinder means the height will be perpendicular to the base. In simple sentence, we can understand it like that. If it is not a right circular cylinder, then the base may be somewhat like this, that the base will not be perpendicular to, maybe here it may be like this. So this is not a right circular cylinder. So we obtained lateral surface area of a cone is pi r l. Total surface area is pi r l plus base area, that is pi r square. So you should remember like that. Lateral surface area is pi r l, base area is pi r square. So total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. And volume is 1 by 3 into base area into height. That will become 1 by 3 into pi r square h. That means the volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3rd of the volume of the cylinder of same radius and same height. This distinction you should remember. That volume of a cone is 1 by 3rd of a cylinder. So what are the formulas? First pi r l, then pi r l plus pi r square, then 1 by 3 pi r square h. How you obtained this formula? The base, the lateral surface area, how you obtained like that? Here again, if I wrap only the lateral surface by a paper, and if I remove that paper, that I am wrapping it in such a way that there is no overlapping. And if I remove it, I will get a paper like this. And this will be L because it is like this. And this will be what? The whole length is now seems like this. And this will be the perimeter 2 pi r. So for a circle, we know what is the area. The area of a circle. This is actually a portion of the circle because L is from this point, the distance of every point on this arc is the same. So this is a portion of a circle of radius L. Area of a circle equal to pi r square. Now I am going to rewrite this formula as pi r square. I am rewriting as 2 pi r into r by 2. That is 2 pi r is perimeter into r is radius by 2. Because 2 and 2 will get cancelled, eventually you will end up with the pi r square. So this is okay. So this formula I am going to use for finding the area of this sector. That means perimeter here is 2 pi r into radius by 2, that is L by 2. So this 2 and 2 will go. Eventually you will get it as pi RL. Okay. So pi RL plus pi r square and 1 by 3 pi r square h. The third one is the sphere and hemisphere. Exactly half of the sphere is called hemisphere. Third one is sphere. Sphere, you know, it is again a three-dimensional object. It is again a solid. The three dimensions are only. Every solid has 3 dimensions, length, breadth, or something like that. Sphere, there is no lateral surface or base area, end surface. We cannot distinguish like that. So it has only the lateral surface area and total surface area. It is a combined one. We can only say that surface area. Surface area of a sphere. It is calculated using the formula 4 pi r square. And volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then comes the hemisphere. Here we have the lateral surface area. Hemisphere will be like this. So there is one end surface. This is the lateral surface, and this area is exactly half of this. If I divide this by 2, 4 and 2 will get divided, and you will get it is 2. The remaining will remain as it is. So it is 2 pi r square. Then the total surface area. The formula here is lateral surface area plus base area, just like the cone. So lateral surface area is 2 pi r square and the base area is pi r square. You remember like this only. That is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. Just like 2x plus x is 3x. So it is 3 pi r square. Then lateral surface area, total surface area. Now comes volume. Volume will be, volume, what is volume? Volume means its size. The size of a hemisphere will be exactly half of the sphere if they are of the same radius. So half of this means divide this formula by 2, and 2 and 4 will get divided and you will get the numerator 2, then 3 pi r cube. So you need only remember this formula, that is the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square and its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. One thing you need to understand is that you don't, when I ask surface area, some of my students 4 pi r cube, if I ask volume, they will say 4 by 3 pi r square. How you will remember it? Because area means, this is area. Area has only 2 dimensions. And volume has 3 dimensions. So it will be r, since only there is only one length, it is r cube here, and here r square here. Here again, hemisphere, 2 pi r square. Whenever area is mentioned, there will be 2 lengths. It is r square, and total surface area, that is again ended up with 3 pi r square. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r, that is cube. And this was the same case in the other solids also. In cylinder, the lateral surface area was 2 pi r h. See, here there is one length and there is one more length. But as far as its volume was pi r square h, here there is a 2 length 2 times, here length 1 time. So 2 plus 1 is 3 times. So what we have studied today is cylinder, cone and sphere. Cylinder, lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. Total surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Volume is pi r square h. Cone, lateral surface area is pi r l. Total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Sphere, surface area is 4 pi r square. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, lateral surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area is 3 pi r square. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you. From the next class, we will do previous year's questions. Thank you.